No, keep it same way. You good? Alright, go up for your arm. Oh, let me see. Nah, you have to go a little bit higher. Go down. So we have to go with 2 steps. I just come on ready. Go. Wait, don't push. Okay.
That's all right. Take care of yourselves. That can be fixed.
Okay.
That can be fixed. Don't worry about it. We already fixed it 4 times.
Go down.
I'm sorry, I made you laugh now. I'm sorry. It's true though. Every time we fix it, we'd get some new delivery and they'd knock it off again.
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Oh, man. Straighten up, straighten up.